Ever dreamt of waking up steps from Central Park with skyline views, chic mid-century design, and some of the comfiest hotel beds in New York?
And yes, we fueled our days with breakfast downstairs and fueled our nights at some of the best gay bars in Hell's Kitchen.
Today, we're bringing you inside Thompson Central Park, New York, one of Manhattan's most stylish luxury stays. Now let's check in.
Hey everyone, Andy and Trey here for Two Gay Expats, and today we're in the heart of Manhattan at the luxurious Thompson Central Park.
New York needs no introduction. Broadway, world-class museums, legendary nightlife, and one of the most iconic skylines on Earth.
And the Thompson brand? Think polished, mid-century style, artistic vibes, and that signature boutique meets luxury feel. We've reviewed their Palm Springs and DC properties too.
Now, before we get started, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming gay-friendly hotel reviews around the world. Now let's dive in.
In terms of location, Thompson Central Park sits right off 56th Street, steps from Central Park, and just moments from Carnegie Hall and MoMA.
We also love that it's a short walk to Broadway theaters and a 10-minute stroll to the gay nightlife in Hell's Kitchen. For a long weekend in Manhattan, you're truly in the middle of everything.
Inside, the design is modern, moody, and polished. Thompson always nails that cool, sexy vibe that feels upscale but never stuffy.
The property features a sleek fitness center, valet parking, and even a spa. And if you're looking to upgrade, their upper stories lounge offers elevated perks and views, though we didn't book it on this stay.
What we did enjoy was the lively lobby scene, stylish, buzzy, and filled with that New York electricity that makes you want to go out and explore.
Now let's talk rooms, because luxury in Manhattan doesn't always mean spacious, but in this case, it absolutely does.
Our room has a huge entryway that opens into a bright mid-century modern space with city views. The king bed, ridiculously plush and comfy.
There's a dry bar, mini fridge, and tons of storage. Closets, drawers, robes, ironing board, and a safe. And we love that both sides of the bed have outlets and USB ports. Super convenient.
The couch is perfect for relaxing, and across from the bed there's more storage, a large TV, and even more charging spots. Digital nomads approved.
The bathroom is stocked with fluffy towels and luxury DS and Durga bath products. Thoughtful, upscale, soothing, exactly what you want in a high-end New York stay.
Before we continue, if you want all of our behind-the-scenes content, hotel room tours with my famous bedroll, and plenty of gay travel extras, join us on Patreon. Links in the description.
Let's move downstairs because food and cocktails are part of the experience.
Parker's, just off the lobby, has a cozy, jazz-inspired vibe and a seasonal menu. We had breakfast here every morning. Delicious, easy, perfect pre-exploring fuel, or post-night out recovery.
The property also includes Indian accent, burger joint, and room service. Plus, you're surrounded by Midtown dining like quality Italian, which we hit twice thanks to our Chase Sapphire Reserve dining credit. So how did the Thompson make us feel? In a word, pampered. Stylish? Okay, 2 words. Plus, it's right in the heart of the city.
We already loved the Thompson brand, and this stay reminded us exactly why. Every detail feels thoughtful, elegant, and just a little bit sexy.
If it's your first time in New York, head up to a spectacular viewing deck, walk the High Line, and spend time in Central Park. It's right here.
And be sure to explore Hell's Kitchen for some great gay bars. We have a full gay New York travel guide, including nightlife, coming up next. So hit subscribe now if you aren't already.
Well, that's a wrap on our luxury hotel review of Thompson Central Park, one of our favorite Manhattan stays.
Have you stayed here before or have another New York hotel you enjoy? Let us know down in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.
And if you liked today's video, do us a favor and smash that like button for the almighty YouTube algorithm. Subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming travel adventures.
For more travel inspiration, head over to our website at twogayexpats.com. Check out the videos we've curated for you down in the Watch Next section of the description. And follow us on social media at twogayexpats.
And don't forget to join us over on Patreon for behind-the-scenes photos, videos, and exclusive content.
We also want to thank our channel members and patrons. We greatly appreciate your support.
Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.